If you have a leak, first reseat the mask by pulling it directly away from the face and gently setting it back into place. This allows the cushion to create a new seal. Second, adjust the forehead support arm stability selector to correct leaks. This is an important step in the fitting process. To correct leaks around the bridge of your nose or into your eyes, adjust the forehead support arm to a lower position by gently squeezing the arms of the stability selector and sliding it downward. This will bring the top of the cushion closer to your face. If necessary, reseat the mask by pulling it directly away from your face and gently setting it back into place. To correct leaks around or below the mouth, adjust the forehead support arm to a higher position by gently squeezing the arms of the stability selector and sliding it upward. This will bring the bottom of the cushion closer to your face. If necessary, reseat the mask by pulling it directly away from your face and gently setting it back into place. If leaks are still present, apply pressure with your fingers directly to the mask in the location of the leak. If this eliminates the leak, tighten the headgear straps closest to the leak to accommodate the seal. Do not over-tighten the headgear. The headgear should fit loose and comfortably. If your skin bulges around the mask or you see red marks or impressions on your skin, loosen the headgear straps. The headgear tabs should be closer to the front of your face and not over your ears. You should be able to easily run a finger under the straps. Excessive tightening of the headgear may cause unnecessary discomfort and leaks. Remember, not all leaks have to be corrected when using a Philips Respironics therapy device.